In a world where every destination has been discovered, there is still one country the world has been overlooked. A land where mountains rise like fortresses, where canyons hide forgotten beaches, and where ancient ruins whisper secrets of empires past. This is Albania. But Albania isn't just a place you visit, it's a mystery you uncover. Imagine standing on a beach so hidden between cliffs that only locals dare to reach it. They call it Jeep, but some say it was once the hiding place of pirates, their treasures still lost in the sand. High in the north, the Albanian Alps guard a village frozen in time. Theth, a place where legends live in the mountains and where a pool known as the Blue Eye runs so deep, no one has ever found its bottom. What secrets lie beneath that endless blue? No one knows. And then there's Berat, a city of 1,000 windows, watching, waiting. Every stone tells a story. Some say if you look long enough, the city looks back at you. Or sail through Komani, where the water carves through fjords so dramatic, you'll swear you've crossed into another world. A ride so surreal, it feels like Europe has been hiding its most beautiful secret in plain sight. This is not the Europe you thought you knew. This is a place untouched by the chaos of the world. A place waiting for those bold enough to answer its call. And here's the truth. This is just the beginning. Because hidden deeper in Albania are places even more mysterious, more dangerous, and more breathtaking than these. Places we'll uncover together. Albania isn't just a destination. It's an adventure. It's a secret. And now it's yours to discover. The question is, are you ready to see what comes next?